What do you think, Daniel? Think I'm gonna get gapped? Honestly. So what'd you say it was pushing? Like
So the wheel is pushing 550.
550? 550. That's quick, bro. Damn, these cars are light too, huh? Just to start off.
3,200 pounds.
Yeah, same with mine. It's a sick car, bro.
Alex, how much would you say?
It's a little over 550 to the crank. Alright guys, so we're heading to Mexico real quick. We're gonna go to this long straightaway that we know of. This is gonna be a good race. I think this is actually the fastest car I've ever raced, right? And I've raced a Hellcat, Supercharged E92 M3. The M3 is quick, but I'm gonna race him too, so stay tuned. Ready? Alright guys, so that's it for the video. Unfortunately, the original outro we had, it wasn't good due to the fact that you couldn't hear me because of a lot of wind that was going on in the background. Other than that, I really enjoyed the races that we had against the Corvette, and it was a fun time overall. I'm going to be coming out with a lot more content like this, racing different cars that can compete with mine. But yeah, stay tuned for what's coming. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.